Hello and welcome to this video. If you're using Microsoft Edge and want to change the microphone used during voice calls, recordings, or any website access, this tutorial is for you. I'll walk you through the exact steps to select your preferred microphone in Microsoft Edge using its built-in settings. Open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Click on the three-dot menu at the top right corner of the browser window. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. On the left-hand side, click on Cookies and Site Permissions. Scroll down and click on All Permissions. Under the list of permissions, find and click on Microphone. A new section will appear where you can select your preferred microphone from the drop-down list. Make sure it's connected and properly detected by your system. And that's it. You've successfully changed your microphone settings in Microsoft Edge. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others. Thanks for watching.